His quiet eyes are spinning in the dark. A secret wish that none will know, she keeps it locked up in her pale heart. Wait for it, it's tired and it's true. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. She ever knew. The background hum of city streets and whispers from the neighbors intertwine. Distant glow of beacon lights breaking through the cracks between the blinds. Wait for it, it's hiding out of view. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. She dreams in blue. She dreams in blue. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. She opens up her weary eyes, the foggy cloud of vision fills the air. She strains to make some sense of all the abstract shapes and colors everywhere. But all the blue just fades away, dissolving in a haze of gray. And lost inside her empty mind was everything she tried to find. But all the blue just fades away, she lost it in a haze of gray. She dreams in blue. She dreams in blue. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Wildfire that I was secretly delighted. You gave chase and let you in. You found lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. That I never knew that you are crazy cool, darling. And now it's back to you. I'm crazy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. You're honey like a finger in the beehive. The bees are buzzing in a tizzy fit, and they're stinging, but I'm singing like a fool, 'cause you're as sweet as a banana split. You're sticky like a hippie in the summer. You're like syrup in the slushy tray. And one touch of you and I will never leave, 'cause I believe I can't get away. That I never knew that you are crazy glue, darling. And now I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Hold on to me, hand in hand we'll follow. Hold on to me as if you had a choice. Never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Way back from out of the dry lands, my grandfather's strong hands, they built this home, wielding an axe and a hand drill and a mountain of raw skill. He built it to last. Long days of work in the fields, but then the yields, they started to fall. The drought hit, and then came the dust bowl. It carried the topsoil away in a gust. Winters, he worked in a sawmill to pay for the crop bills and hope they would grow. He went home with all of the scrap wood and did all that he could to finish the house. A hot day beneath the veranda, I went to stand up. It hit me at once. He's gone now, but not what he left us. This home that kept us connected to him. Some things are built to last. Some things are built to last. The ones we love are gone so fast. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't wanna wiggle loose. Hold on to me, and hand we'll follow. Hold on to me, as if you had a choice. Never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. I don't